Okay, it's lightning talk time. So I think Rob's going to be able to keep to 10 minutes, okay?
I should do it in 5.
Great. So Rob Evans from Janet is just going to talk about some activity in the IETF that he's involved in.
Right, taking good care to stand to the right of the green line. I'm Rob Evans from Janet, and I'm here not to talk about Janet and not to talk about our plans for DNSSEC, but to plug a questionnaire that the IETF's V6 Ops working group is doing. Within the IETF, there are two main working groups dedicated to IPv6. One's called 6MAN, and that works on the protocol development. And the other one is V6 Ops, which is, as the name suggests, the operational arm. This is the first paragraph of the Charter, and the key things to note from this are develops guidelines and provides operational guidance. This isn't a group that does protocol development. It is a group that documents how to do things with V6. Further on in the Charter is this one, and this is the key bit here. It's soliciting input from network operators, and that's what this questionnaire is aimed to do. It's soliciting input on V6 deployment to feed back into maybe then into the 6MAN group to see what areas need to be filled out. There's an internet draft called the Service Provider Scenarios document, written by Brian Carpenter. That's the abstract of it. It's basically a document describing deployment scenarios for IPv6 in service provider networks, sort of networks that you guys run. Now, as is often, the IETF is often accused of not having much operational input. This is the chance for you guys to provide a bit of operational input to the IETF. The authors need that. They want to know what your plans are for V4 when V4 runs out, when the free pool runs out, what are your plans for V6, what hurdles have you come across, what would help. And this isn't restricted to whether you've deployed V6, if you've not tried it yet, or if you've tried it and abandoned it, all input is welcome. It's just a plain text file, load it into TextEdit, Ed, VI, Emacs, whatever you prefer, fill in the answers, send it off. It's not a SurveyMonkey thing. The URL is there. I'll post the slides on the website. I'll post the URL to the list as well. Email the result to the email address that's on the website as well. They're aiming to get an update of the draft out for the next IETF in Anaheim in March, so they'd really appreciate replies within the next couple of weeks if possible. And that was it. Just wanted to plug that. Any questions?